guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me and welcome to Fembam NY. And for today's video, I'll be making another beautiful balloon bouquet. So we will add some of our previous video that we did, so some previous project like this beautiful balloon leaf. If you want to know how to make this, please check the video out there. And another thing that we feature for this vlog today, this beautiful white flower balloon. So right there, please check that out on how to make this. So we do this so this video won't be that long, and you can check that out, right guys, right there. So we'll talk about the base. So the base, we will be making or inflating this chrome balloon. This is gold, so all the color of the balloon we use today is on the description down below. Please check that out. So we will inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter using our balloon sizer. So you'll need 4 of this. Like that. Tie it. So I already made 2 of this here. I already pre-inflated. So you'll put this together. Just like that. And then you will use your balloon weight. So this is actually 5 inches balloon. I double stuff and filled with water. So again, if you want to know how to make this, we have a different video tutorial up there. Please check that out. So now you will attach this to the base of our balloon. So all you do is grab one of the end of your balloon and then your balloon weight, tie it together. So it's securely on here. You flip this, that would be on the bottom of our base. So now I will inflate another one of this balloon, the same. It's 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. And again, I already pre-inflated this one. So again, you want to grab one of the end of your balloon. So right here, and the end of your balloon. So just tie it. We'll put this on the top, so the top and then the bottom. Alright guys, so now there it is. So now we're ready to attach our flower right here. So using our UGlu dashes, we will attach our balloon flower right on the front of our balloon. So it will be like that. So I'll make this like the front side and I'll set this a little higher. Just like that. So you'll use your glue right on here. So it's securely attached. Put another one. And also I'll attach one under here as well. There, so it's securely in there. Alright guys, so this time we will add our balloon leaf. So we'll put this on the back. So we have all 5 of this, and again we'll use our UGlu dashes. So at the back side, this one right here, we will attach on the back. So the same thing, I will put UGlu dashes right on there. And on the back side, this is where I attach my leaf. So stay right on here, just like that. Then we'll add 5 more and 4 more. Same thing you'll add here. So I got them all on the bottom part. So put one here as well. And there you go guys, just arrange them in place and that's it guys. It's very simple. This is the back side and the front side. So if you want to add something, you can use like you can attach this to your garland or on even a centerpiece. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is FemMMNY and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.